Hi, in this video today I want to show you a real simple thing to do if your Shark FlexBreeze is not working. Make sure it's not in lock mode because you might have accidentally put it into lock mode. So right now, if I was to turn it on, there's nothing happening here whatsoever. And we are actually plugged into the mains. But even if you're not plugged into the mains, it should still work on the battery for an amount of time until it runs out. But you can see here that it's completely dead. That's because I've put lock mode on it, but you might have accidentally put lock mode on. To take it off lock mode, just hold down this oscillate button here for about 3 seconds and you will see the lights will liven up here. So I'm holding it down now. And there you go, you can now see it's livened up here, and you can see we are actually plugged into the wall at the moment, into the mains. You can see it's charging. And now if you turn it on, hopefully you will see that it will start working. So obviously yours may not work if it's got an actual fault which is stopping it from working, but just make sure you haven't got lock mode on because that would be a real simple fix to do. Thanks for watching.